Hello, today I'm going to put an LED light into the bike. It's quite an easy process. I might have to take this screen off, but if you're ever going to change it, you have to take this whole light cowling off. And the easy way to do that is turn your steering. These brackets are in the road a wee bit, but you'll see one bolt there and one bolt there. Okay, take these two off, two at the other side, and that whole cowling comes right off. I'll show you how to do it in a minute. You might get it off with the screen on, maybe not, but we'll see how it goes. Anyway, LED lights. You can normally buy LED lights cheap enough off the internet. $35 gets you a pair, but usually they're pretty shit. They don't last. You can see the wee fan inside them turning, and yeah, I've went through a lot of them over the years, and yeah, they're good, but they don't last. So I came across this company, and I'll show you, by the name of STEDI, and they do LED lights for cars, motorbikes, etc. And yeah, and these are good. I'll show you what the bulb's like. Let's get it out of the box. This is the LED bulb. Make sure you don't touch the LED part with your fingers. You don't want to get dirt on it. If you look at this compared to most LEDs, don't know if you can see that. You can see the two sets on that side, two sets on that side, but there's also deflectors. You can see them when you see it like that, like a normal bulb, but it sort of deflects the light on dip beam and diverts it on high beam and things like that. So these are good ones. They're supposed to be really bright, and we'll soon find out. Yeah, and unlike most of them, they won't blind people like the cheap ones do. Now, it's got a heat sink in here as well, which is good. You can't see it, so you don't have to worry about the thing shitting itself. Now, H4 bulb, as you can see, and then connector is like that. Jeez, was I in a panic? And then I looked in the box. Get wee sticky tape cable ties, and you get this thing which plugs into it, and then goes into here, and there's the bit that plugs in the H4 socket, and it's got this thing. This is your input DC 12 volt and 24. So yeah, if you had a 24 volt vehicle it would work. So anyway, I'll give you a link in the description of the company. These STEDI ones, that was about $62 or something. Free shipping Australia wide. Now these are designed to last for an average of 30,000 hours. There's about 8,000 hours in a year, so you're talking three and a bit years, nearly 4 years, something like that. If I got 2 years out of it, I'd be really happy. $62, but yeah, seem to last a long time. Just remember, don't touch the end. So anyway, we'll go ahead and install this and see how it goes. I'll go and get my toolbox. Now, these wee screws I was on about up here, these are 10mm, I believe, so get a socket in it and take them off. Get into that one easy, and get into that one easily. So you take two out there, two out the other side, and the headlight should come off. If you have difficulty getting in, if you've got a screen fitted, you can always get a ratchet spanner and tilt the head so that you can get it in and ratchet them out, but yeah, we'll get in with the socket okay. Now, once you get these ones out, always put your bolts somewhere safe. Turn your steering and go and do the same at the other side, except remember to take your socket with you. And same again, bolt there and a bolt up there. So if you take them out, quite simple. And there's the top one out. Again, we'll put these in a safe place. And it's just a matter of taking this headlight out and see how loose it is. Now, you don't want to take the screen off because it's this bit here that's stopping it. You could take the indicator cable off if you want. I'll probably take the screen off, I think. 4 bolts. So, yeah, I'll take the screen off. There's only 4 of these bolts that take them off. Once you get them out, the screen lifts off. So that's the screen off. Lay it somewhere so it's not going to get scratched. Still undecided about that screen though, that's the only thing. Now this just lifts off. Like that. And there is, I don't know if you can see, there's your headlight. Yeah, small Parker light or side lights down the bottom. But so we take this out by pulling the plug like that, and then we take the cover off. When I'm upside down, the cover off. So we take the rubber cover off. We unclip the headlight like that. Get a bulb out, and this is just a new bulb I put in, but it's still not bright enough for the bike, so I'm going to reuse that bulb in my car because I bought a set of them. I'll stick it in there, and now this goes in a certain way, that way, I think it's that way it goes in. And getting the clip over it's a bit tight. Hang on, I'll just switch off so as I can use both hands. So that's it in, as you can see. Can you see? The clip, it's a wee bit of a bugger to get over this bit, but it goes in. Now, the only thing wrong is the rubber cover won't fit over that. And I don't want to put anything on that because this is to stop it overheating, because it does pick up a bit of heat. So I'll just leave it out. If you're getting a problem with moisture, you could put a rubber seal in between the light, because that's all this is to do, is to stop dust and moisture getting into your headlight. If you've got a motorbike and you're getting dampness, it's probably this that's doing it. Anyway, no matters. So we're left with this, and we need to get, where is it, this part here. And if you have a look, there's a wee slot in the bottom, and on this one there's a wee dimple somewhere. And you just make sure you match them up. There it is. There, it's at the bottom now. So it's at the bottom of this one, it should go in like that. But I'll need to switch you off to use both hands. Right, so again, have a look inside, use a torch if you have to. Right, put my manual's slot, that should go in there, like that. Now, we're left with this bit plugs in to your headlight, like that. Now, this bit needs to stay out of the way, so what we can do is we can stick it to your cowling, stick it up under here, just anywhere, so as it's all out of the way. And what you get in the kit is a couple of cable ties, and you get a sticky pad, so you can stick this on here and then stick it to your cowling. Stick it anywhere as long as it's out of the way. Stick it to this. I just hope it doesn't melt and fall down. Honestly, I might stick it down here out of the way on top of the light fitting. Seeing if that's flat. Yeah, I might do that. Maybe I'll stick it up here, I don't know. Stick it on top of the light fitting. So, there we go, it's stuck. The light's on, it's all wired in, it's stuck just on top of the headlight cover there. Out of the way, and this, just make sure you tuck this in when you put the cowling back on. Also, these cables, see where that's been jammed, it's been caught in here. Just make sure all these cables are okay and that they're not caught anywhere. Bring them all to the middle if you can, and they should be safe enough when you put the thing back together. Yeah, okay, I'll go put the cowling back on. That's pretty simple, just reverse procedure, put it on, make sure the cables are out the way, and then bolt it in. Once that's done, you can put the cover back on the screen. So here we are, done. You can see the LED in there. So what's it like? Let's have a wee look. There we are. Can't really see it much in daylight, but we can see the mark on the wall. Move over to the cupboard there. When I go to full beam. Looks okay. What I'll do is adjust the headlight. That's a really bright light. I'll adjust the headlight for anybody that doesn't know how to do it. Measure from the ground up to the height of the bulb, and then straw the same height and somewhere solid. Then move your bike back 12 feet, and on low beam that light should just be from here down. High beam doesn't matter, but low beam, and that way you're not blinded. If it shines above that in low beam, you're blinding people. One thing I've noticed with this new LED, with the cheap LEDs, you put them on and it's bright, it just shines anywhere. But I've noticed with this one, because of the wee bits and pieces on it, the way it's made, it's a proper motorbike, the H4. Because the way it's made, it actually shines the light like a normal bulb, not just a glare like your normal. So yeah, I reckon this is going to be a quite good one, but I'll try it out at night. But there you go, LED bulb, and it uses less power, so yep, if you want to do it, go for it. I'll put the link on below for that company, or if you want to do a Google search, STEDI, there you go. I'll get my tools put away now. Thanks for watching.